journey begins. I've taken responsibility of carrying the surfboard. Pre-booked pitches only. Oh, let's try pronounce this. Sorry, Maes Guarsilan Lawan, which means campsite 4. Yo, let's go. You wanna see what I look like? This is what I look like. Wow, this is what I look like, man. You see me? We're rolling. Thank you for my surfboard. Oh look, there's cars. God damn. So we are hiking. Currently 5 minutes. My BPM is 97. God damn. I can run for hours, but this hiking stuff. Incline. Crazy terrain. But we're outside. We're gonna go to the location for the photo shoot. Limburger Watkin Path.
First designated bus in Britain. MTV Cribs, yeah?
MTV Cribs. AJ knows. Jeez. Yo, imagine you got your thing just sitting there, your missus cooking some dinner. Come on. We're living life. Just put the roof up here. Whee! Views upon views. Hey. No, 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 no. Jump, man. Wait. Oi. Yeesh. So quick update. We've had a photo shoot. Someone's jumped off there. I did not want to get my hair wet because it's wave season. This guy's trying to grab a calf. He's trying to grab a calf. Watch the mother just headbutt him. Stroke it, man. Stroke it, man.
I wouldn't mess with them.
Watch when the mother sees, he's gonna kill you, bro.
Pool up there, yeah?
Yeah. It's cold though. Water's cold, yeah.
Freezing anywhere, isn't it?
Touch it, man.
Back, lad. Yeah, that one.
Jeez. Oi. Oh! That was close, man. I can sell this for gold. Got my toes out and that. Making OnlyFans, you know what I'm saying? Whee! Well, we've got a t-shirt on now because it's getting kind of breezy. Feel me? Feel me, dog? Jeez, scenes though. I fell asleep, I woke up in the car park. Yo, there's a castle over there. God damn.